Guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to email a copy of your Google Sheet document as a PDF. So once you're working in any document that you want to share and you want to share this as a PDF, the easiest way how to do this is to go ahead and click on file, go down to email and click on email this file. Once you select that, it's going to pop up with this window. You need to enter the email address of the person you want to send it to. Then if you want to send a copy to yourself, you can do so as well. You keep the subject, and then you have the option that says file type. You have a few options there, but if to send this PDF, select this as PDF and hit the send, and it's going to send a copy over to that person's email. Now, alternatively, you could always download the document as PDF, but this is the quickest way that I showed you at first. So another way is by simply going ahead and clicking file and then download, and you can download this as a PDF document, and then you can send this or put it wherever you want, and yeah, they will get the document as PDF, right? Another way is by simply clicking on the print option as well, and once you click on print, you want to go ahead and click on next. You'll have this box appear, and you can save this or print this as PDF. So if you click, you can save as a PDF document, or you can print this to PDF, and once you have the file on your computer, you can share it however you want. But that's it, guys. That's how to go ahead and quickly share your Google Sheet document as PDF. Very easy and very simple.